Hello dear student. Today in Unit 3 Lesson 1 we are going to talk about the second part of past simple tense. When we use past simple tense, as we said in the previous lesson, we use past simple tense for things that happened at the specific time in the past. Or we can use past simple for a series of completed action in the past. Look at this infographic. We have past, now, and future. When we say past simple, we mean that we talked about something that happened in the past. It means it starts in the past and finish it in the past. Here we have some common expressions that we use them with the past simple tense. For example, yesterday, last week, last year, ago, or past dates, for example, in 2010, and so on. Forms of past simple. As we said in the previous lesson, generally we have two forms of past simple. We have was, were form, and also we have regular and irregular verb. In the previous lesson, we have talked about was and were, and for today, in this lesson, we are going to talk about regular and irregular verbs. So let's start. Before we get started, look at these two examples. I went to school yesterday and I paid for dinner last week. These are in the past simple tense. Regular and irregular verb form. We start from the positive. Look, this is the general rule of past simple tense for regular and irregular verb. At the beginning, as usually, we have subject, and then we have verb, past, and then we have complement. Look at these examples. Here we have personal pronouns as a subject. You can use them, and then we have to have verb past. For example, look at the first example. We can say, he visited his friend yesterday. Another example, she studied hard last night, or I studied hard last night. You studied hard last night. Another example, I bought a bike, or he bought a bike. Look at this example. In the first two examples, visited and studied, they are regular verb. But the third one, bought, is irregular verb. So now let me show you or tell you what's regular and irregular verb. Look at these verbs. Regular verbs in English created the past simple and the past participle by adding ed to the base form. Look at this example. Watch, watch it. Walk, walk it. Look, look it. Want, want it. Visit, visited. And it. Study, studied. They are regular verbs because they take ed. What about irregular verbs? There are many irregular verbs that does not follow the normal rules. They have different ending. Look at this example. Go, it became went. It doesn't take ed. Go, went. Speak, spoke. Write, wrote. Understand, understood. Forget, forgot. Drive, drove. Give, gave. Let's come back to the forms. What about the negative form? We negate past simple by adding the didn't. And after the didn't, be careful, we have the base form of the verb. We do not use the past simple tense of the verb because we have the didn't. We have subject at the beginning and then we have the didn't. After the didn't, we have to use the base form of the verb and then we have complement. Look at these examples. I didn't play tennis last weekend. Didn't play. She didn't clean the windows. Or we can say they didn't clean the windows. Another example. I didn't go the dentist, or you didn't go the dentist. Look at this example. After didn't, in these three examples, we use the base form of the verb. Play, we do not say played. We say clean, not clean it. Go, not went. Because we have didn't here. What about the question form? We form the question form of the past simple by adding the auxiliary did at the beginning. And then we have subject. And again here we have the base form of the verb. And then complement. But be careful at the end we have question mark. We have examples. Did. And we use these personal pronouns as a subject. We can say, did he work in the garden yesterday? We say work, not work it. And you can answer this question by short answer. This short answer, you can say, yes, I did. No, I didn't. Another example. Did she dance at the party last night? Or did you dance at the party last night? We say dance, not danced. Did we play tennis last weekend? Or did they play tennis last weekend? Here in this example, we use the base form of the verb because we have did here. And also you can use, or you can make the question form by using WH question words. Be careful. We use the WH words or to make the question form and put them at the beginning of the sentence before the auxiliary did. Look at this example. We say, when did you work in the garden? Or where did you work? The summary. What did we learn today? We use past simple tense for completed actions in the past. It means start in the past and finish it in the past. And here we have the general rule of past simple. We have subject and then we have the verb past. It means we use the past form of the verb and then we have complement. Here we have examples. This is the positive example. We say he went to the park yesterday. How can we negate this example? We add didn't. We say he didn't go. Went became go because we have didn't here. We say he didn't go to the park yesterday. The question one, we say, did he go to the park yesterday? And this is the WH question word. We say, when did he go to the park? And that's all. Thanks for watching and listening.